Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I want to show you how to make rolling feel even better than it already does. Basically, I'm going to try to show you how to make it just feel amazing. Here we go. So we're going to do segmental rolls, and a segmental roll is when you roll from your upper body or your lower body, from your back to your belly, or your belly to your back. Those are segmental rolls. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some lengthening to our segmental rolls. And I'll just show you what I mean. So if I'm rolling from my belly to my back with my left leg, as it's pulling me across, so it's going to drag me over or spiral me over. But as I reach now, I'm going to also reach and lengthen and stretch with my left arm as I'm reaching this way with my left leg. I'm gonna stretch and then relax and just let the relaxation just kind of pull me over. If I were gonna do it from my back, to my belly using my arm, I'm gonna reach this way, but lengthen my left leg that way and reach, and then just relax and melt back over to my belly. So from upper body, belly to back, it looks like this. I'm reaching with my right hand this way, but I'm gonna lengthen and reach with my right leg that way. And reach, and then relax. Oh my goodness, and just melt over. And from my back to my belly with my leg, I'm gonna take my right leg and really reach this way, and take my right arm and really reach that way, and stretch, and then relax, and let it pull me over. So, it really feels as good as I'm trying to display. I'm really not trying to display, it just feels that good. So here we go. So you're reaching, relax, and then reach, and relax. It's the reach. When you're spiraling, that reach, man, it just really opens up. You'll feel your fascia stretch, your connective tissues, or your muscle encasing tissue wrappings that are really what keeps you tied together. You'll feel them just really open up and lengthen, and then when you relax, it's just like you become jello, and you roll right over. All right? So that's our tip for this week, is just when you roll, just really lengthen as you spiral. So it's like you're lengthening your X. Your body is an X, and you're lengthening your X, and then you relax and roll over. Got it? All right. Give that a shot. Let us know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, don't go just yet. If you care, could you give us a share? We're trying to grow our reach and expand our network. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.